Alright, so we're on the delivery trail again. This time we are in Amara Road. Amara? I sound like you're not too sure.
East Road.
East Road? Oh, so it's off Amara Road.
The road that goes up.
That's Amara, and this is East. Like alright, congrats. Congrats. The new baby coming. And congrats for getting your package on time. So the smile over me I get.
And thank you for delivering my packaging on time. It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Yes.
Yeah.
You love the service. You love the quick
Yeah,
service.
Jamaica.
Me? What did I do? I never do anything.
Bring him back.
You see, I always get myself in a trouble. All I do is say, thanks for delivering the package. All right, have a great day. Anything special you want to say about us?
It's always a pleasure.
Well, I look like she wants to say something special about me.
It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Why? Hey, Shaloni, have a good one. And congrats, all right? Can name the baby after me. So she's going to name the baby after me. Because she say I'm trouble and the baby. Eh? What you want to name the baby? The trouble man. Trouble baby. Yes. Don, the trouble baby. That's what she's going to name the baby. So we're in this community. It's our first time here. And of course, we don't mind. We like it. And she still don't want to leave out of the video. And she said me for go on. Come man, you stay with her today. She's going to stay and do some work today. You want to do some work with her today? She said, I'm going to employ her. So we're on the delivery trail. And now we're off. Well, this time it's not baby supplies. She's not ready for baby supplies yet. She's just testing the service to make sure we're up and running and she can get all her things them on time, all the time. East Road. This is where we are. East Road off Amara Road. Thanks. Have a good one, guys.